Hi, parents. This is Miss Uranda. This is another safe and helpful tip for a home experiment that you can do with your kids. This is a cloud bag. All you can do is get a bag of marshmallows and a ziplock bag. Open up a ziplock bag and pour your marshmallows inside, just so, and zip up your bag like this and let your babies squeeze and feel the textures of the marshmallows just as if that they were squeezing clouds, and then they can smell and touch, and after they can feel the texture, then maybe they can open up and taste, eat. It's a sensory game, just like that. Have a good day.